face in your crowd, hungry for fun. Laugh in your ear. Don't